This is an interactive lesson I created on Nearpod. Nearpod is an interactive presentation tool used to create virtual lessons, presentations, and more. I created this lesson on a second grade standard to teach students the different parts of a plant and their functions in a unique, interactive way. The learning goal for this lesson is I can identify the parts of a plant, including roots, stems, leaves, and flowers, and each of their purposes. I plan to implement this as a student and teacher-led presentation as the students are able to go at their own pace, but have my guidance as I have attached voiceovers to each slide. This technology tool allows teachers to create interactive lessons that include visuals, polls, virtual field trips, quizzes, open-ended questions, and much more. It allows students to gain feedback and participate in an engaging learning in a variety of different ways. The benefit of using this tool is that students can go at their own pace and go back and review information that was missed. The tool is beneficial to students learning as it gives them a different platform to learn rather than a lecture or a bookwork. It gives multiple means of representation as each activity can vary from a video, a game, an open-ended question, and more. As a teacher, one challenge I see is that students are able to exit the activities and go find the answers, so there is no way to really know if they are retaining and learning during the lesson. Another challenge is that this is another technology tool that a teacher will have to learn and educate themselves on. For my Nearpod, I chose parts of a plant. For the engaging activity, to see what the students already know, they will be doing a match activity where they will have to match the image to its corresponding answer. Then to explore, they will go on a virtual field trip where they will look at the parts of the plants, then make an educated guess to tell what the different parts of the plants are. Through an open-ended question. So, from exploring in a virtual field trip, what do you think each part of the plant does? Telling their function, or guessing their function just from the virtual field trip. So then, we'll move on to the apply, where they'll watch an informational video that will explain the parts of the plant and their purpose. During the video, there will be interactive questions where they will explain what they have learned. After they watch the video, they will then go on to share, where they will be given a diagram of a plant. And in this area, they will have to drag and drop into the correct answer, labeling the plant. Then after that, they will show what they know, and there will be a quiz to see what they have learned. Then after the quiz, there will be a challenge question to extend their learning on a question that was answered in the video, but the lesson was not over. And then after that, to close out the lesson, they will reflect, answering a KWL in an open-ended form, and they will tell me what they already knew about the topic, what they learned about the topic, and what they still wonder about the topic. Then they will evaluate and they'll reflect on the lesson, telling me how they feel about it, if they got the if they got it and are excited about it, if they're still confused, or if they just aren't that interested in this topic.